Hip-hop and electronic music are groove-based genres. And what I mean by that, hip-hop and electronic music are heavily based upon the timing, the groove, the rhythm of the drums in the track. In this video today, I'm going to demonstrate to you my methods in which I build an awesome groove within Maschine very, very quickly. And what you're about to see is my method for setting up a foundational groove for my track that I'll eventually go on to throw samples over or play some, throw a synthesizer on top of and layer the track further. But this is the starting point. Your drums are really everything. And what you're about to see is my process for taking just regular sounds and really expanding them and making them fat, making them sit nicely and work well with each other through creative mixing on Maschine. What you'll see me do on the fly is essentially design drum sounds, adjust the timing of drum sounds, add effects to mix my sounds, make them more fat, and to really make them coordinate and sit well with each other. So the purpose of this demonstration is going to be to show you how easy and simple it is once you understand foundational aspects of Maschine and mixing to really get up and running quickly with a groove and a rhythm. Now, like I said, I'm sure you've heard, sounds and beats and everything. Everything really in electronic and hip-hop music is centered around the drums. The drums are the driving force of the track. So I'm basically going to show you the way in which you make your drums sound great to set up something that, like a sample or a melody on top that sounds great with it. In reality, I'd say that drums are probably 60 to 70% of the work. So 70% of your track is dependent on how well your drums groove, how good they sound, how hard they hit, how well they intermix and play with each other. And once you have a good groove and a solid foundation, it's easy to build upon that with some nice chords or a sample or whatever have you. So pay attention to this video. You'll be able to see my techniques that I use to quickly build a drum loop that really grooves, really sounds nicely, really something that you can build upon. It's a great foundational skill set to have. So pay attention to this video, and hopefully you'll be able to take away a lot of information from watching me do this. So if you enjoyed the video that you just watched, my guess is that you're really interested in learning how you can use Maschine to build awesome drum loops like you just saw me do. Well, I've got a treat for you. I'm offering up my Maschine ebook for 100% free. It's called Maschine, the Hip Hop Beatmaker's Missing Manual. And inside of it, you're going to learn a bunch of cool techniques that you can use to start learning the secrets that take most beatmakers years to understand on their own. These are the techniques that I've developed over the past probably 3.5 years that I've been working with Maschine and making music. As you can see, this is a 58-page ebook, and inside you'll learn a lot about the techniques that I just showed you, about how to work with effects like audio compression and how to use them in order to make better sounding tracks. As you can see here, I explain the small details like audio delay and equalization, things that you'll need in order to start building great sounding beats. Now, the Maschine manual that comes with Maschine does a terrible job of explaining this stuff, but in this I really break down these techniques and tools in layman's terms so that anyone can understand it. So this is sort of like a no BS way that you can get up and running with Maschine and start making quality music for 100% free. And I'm going to show you how to get it really quickly. So go on ahead and head on over to maschinemanual.com. That's MASCHINE manual.com, and type in your email address and click to get your free ebook. And after you've done that, I will send you an email to confirm that you've given me the right email address. And once you confirm that email, I will go ahead and automatically send you a copy of my free ebook that you can download and get to working with, so that you can start making some awesome music. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoy the ebook. It's awesome, and go ahead and grab it, because obviously, as you can see, this is probably information that I should be charging for, but I'm a nice guy, so I'm going to give it to you for free. So thanks for watching.